Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be solving the Hanayama padlock metal puzzle. I hope you enjoyed that intro I made, but before we start on the puzzle, we're going to have to open the actual package. Okay, here we have it, the Hanamaya cast padlock puzzle. It's their second to hardest puzzle, and we're going to be solving it today. So, before any of that, we're gonna have to open it up. And then we come to the actual padlock puzzle. We'll put it down right there. I'm not gonna play with it yet. We are gonna have to start the timer. Okay, so, I actually shouldn't be playing with it yet. If you were wondering, yeah, I did fix it. I did fix this puzzle from our last video. But for this video, we're gonna have to solve this thing. Before I start playing with it, I'll just start the timer right now. Okay, now I can actually touch it. Okay, so I just found this out. You can spin this around. Huh, interesting. These two pieces go up and down. I'll just try to spin this and I'll see what happens I'll see if anything happens if I just spin it forever. Apparently not. Gotta be careful with it though, because I learned my lesson last time when I forced the puzzle and I actually bent the metal. So I learned my lesson, and now I know if it's too hard to do, then you're not supposed to actually do it. So okay, so I'm not seeing anything helpful in this puzzle like that I can actually use to open it. Oh, whoa, what did I just do? Wait, let's go back. Look at this. What? Look, so you can move those, but nothing happens. Then I spun this right here, and then this one was right here, and then this one was right here, and then this opened up like this. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's so cool. I'm gonna try to figure out exactly what was happening. So what I was doing is I put this right here so that this thing can push the other half away, and I was just trying to do something like that. But then this one was in like the perfect place so that it could get out. Like that. It's not completely solved, so we're gonna have to figure out how to solve the rest of it. So to solve the whole thing, we have to take it all apart. So can this still spin around? This can kind of still spin around. Now I don't know what I just did. Okay, wait. Let me figure this out. Okay, so you just have to put one side like this, where the line can meet up on this like macaroni shaped thing. And then you put the other one exactly the same like this. Then it can actually... Okay, so this is back to where we were before. So you can move these pieces around like this, but that doesn't really seem to help with anything. Okay, let's take a break. First of all, to appreciate the designs, that actually looks pretty cool. But not just that, because at the back of the box we can actually check out how it has to look when it's done. That's when it's finished. That's how it looks when it's finished. Cool. Now we have to actually do that. Ah. Worth a try. Okay, so we are 46 minutes in and it's not broken yet, so that's a good sign. But I haven't really made any progress other than just this part. We just hit an hour. Just throwing it out there. Still the same place I was half an hour ago, but so in the box I found this and it says cast padlock. The design is evocative of a study padlock. Just pick it up and you'll quickly gain an appreciation for the challenge that lies ahead. This puzzle will not open easily. The interior is comprised of two elliptical pieces locked together tightly around the circular pieces and obstinately refusing to be released. But don't give up. Repeatedly separate and then put them back together and prove you have what it takes to unlock this riddle. I think there just might be a clue here because pick it up and you'll quickly gain an appreciation for the challenge that lies ahead. This puzzle will not open easily. The interior is comprised of two elliptical pieces locked together tightly around the circular pieces and obstinately refusing to be released. Don't give up. Repeatedly separate them and put them back together and prove that you have what it takes to unlock this riddle. I don't know, that's what I've been doing. I've been unlocking it and locking it. Somehow this might be able to help me. I don't know how, but warning: choking hazard, small parts, not for children under 3 years. This is so hard. Wait a minute. The theme is obstinacy, designed by Korean designer Jin Huan. Let me Google that. The theme of this puzzle, apparently it's obstinacy, aka stubbornness, very difficult to change or overcome. Perfect. That's I can see where they got that from. It just doesn't want to unlock. Wait a minute. This puzzle will not open easily. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I was playing around with it a little bit. I was stumped, but then when I was playing around with it, I figured something out. See how we have this thing right here, and then we have it on the other side, and you spin it around, and you still have it, like, all the way around. You still have that. Stick with me. Look, if you unlock it, and then put it back together on the other side, then you don't have those anymore. And if I just look at this, look at that, it's opening sideways. What? Wait a minute, that's weird. Now there is nothing, there's no hole, and on this side there is. Like, what? Wait, I'm gonna try to unlock it one more time. That's so weird. Look, it's only one side instead of the other side. What? Come on, I have a good feeling about this. I have a feeling we're going the right way. Oh, no way. Guys, it took us an hour and 39 minutes, 52 seconds, 89 milliseconds. Guys, I am proud to say it. We solved the whole thing. Without a further ado, we should probably put this back together. Let's go. Look, I just solved it. Okay. Ah, yes. Finally. Okay. So now I solved it to where all four sides don't have that empty mark. And we're back to where we started. Okay, so now I know how to solve it. So let's see how fast I can do it. Okay, so the timer started. So now it only takes me around a minute, and it's completely solved. And to put it back together, let's find out. Okay, I put it back together in 30 seconds. And now to put it back how it was at the start. Another 30 seconds. If you enjoyed, make sure to like the video and comment down below if I should keep making videos like this one. That's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.